Second, it teaches to make burger. Basically, you put the boil, and then you put some butter into it. Put it extra spicy. Let it boil about 5 minutes or plus. Make sure your patty is defrost. It is steaming hot. Use this if you have this easy measuring for the best quality. Okay, I just bought a bread from the shop. Shop must go there. The shop must go there. Turn around, go in front, go below, go on top. So far. Again, part 3. Okay, I'm back. So, here a big plate for this. Put 2 bread on top. Fat man don't to be fat, so put some vegetable on it. So to maintain good stuff and bad stuff, put some mayonnaise. Shouldn't waste time. Don't waste time. Put something like the boiler. Here the season. Your small spoon. Okay, now press this thing up. Your season up there. Flip it. This is what you should love, man. Give me season. Baby, I like it. So you're going to do it like 10 times until it's okay. This is not okay, man. This is not okay. This is partially cooked. Oh, and yes, this is the Malay kedok nasi ambil korek. This is not the flipper the people use. This is almost cooked. Almost. So this is cooked. Okay. Watch at the next episode. Okay, this is cooked. But not forgetting the cheese. Off this thing, the heater, and just put it on top. Oh, like that. And then squash it. Oh no! Squash. So this is the last episode. Okay. Put it on top your burger. So fat man not to be fat again. Put double vegetable. Make sure it's washed. Put mayonnaise also. Pass. Not forgetting chili sauce. Yeah, that's enough. So that's your burger in the end. Look how nice is it. No nicer than Carl's Jr. or Burger King.